This is Pre-Calculus Part 1, Section 4.3, Right Triangle Trigonometry on page 495. Example 5, using cofunction identities. The cofunction identities say that the sine and cosine are off by 90 degrees, the secant and cosecant are off by 90 degrees, and the tangent and cotangent are off by 90 degrees, okay? Which makes a lot of sense because they're the other 90 degrees of a right triangle. So we're looking for the sine of 72. If you want to find the cofunction of that, it would be the cosine of 90 minus 72, which is the cosine of 18. It's really that simple. If you're given degrees, you do it in degrees. If you're given pi, so for example, cosecant of pi over 3, that would be the secant of pi over 2, which is the same as 90, only in radians. So it would be pi over 2 minus pi over 3, get your common denominator, and that leaves you with the secant of pi over 6, which pi over 3 is your 60-degree angle, pi over 6 is your 30-degree angle. So again, that makes sense because the values for the 30-degree and the 60-degree are opposites. Okay, so if we're going to do cofunctions for the sine of 46, the cofunction for sine is cosine. So 90 minus 46 leaves us with 44 degrees. You're not calculating anything here other than the subtraction. They just want to know what value would be the same as. So cotangent is 90 degrees off the tangent, or in this case, since it's pi over 12, we have to use pi over 2. So tangent of pi over 2 minus the pi over 12. Again, get your common denominator. So the tangent of 5 pi over 12 is going to be the same as the cotangent of pi over 12.